going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce to you guys a truck that I bought back in December, my 2017 F250 Lariat Ultimate Package 6.7 liter Power Stroke Turbo Diesel. I've been searching for this exact truck for quite some time, and I finally picked it up back in December down in Virginia. Got it with 22,000 miles. Had a few modifications to it when I got it. It didn't look like this exactly. It had, I'll post a photo of it right in here somewhere. It had bushwhacker fender flares. It had 22x12 Rockstar wheels, like negative 44 offset on 371350 Toyo MTs. So I sold all that stuff off and I picked up these OEM Platinum wheels and tires, brand new. The truck's also got a 4-inch suspension lift on it, Bilstein shocks. I'll put the link for that in the description below. The truck had the look kit on it when I got it. It is the blue jean metallic color. This is the exact truck I've been always looking for. It does have the clearance lights from the factory on it. The one downside is it did not come with the OEM factory LEDs, but I am going to add those in. For now, I just have the LED bulbs I got off Amazon on it. Just did a quick wash on it. I do need to detail it. Where the fender flares were, there's a couple little fine marks. I should be able to buff all that stuff out. I did get this Ronin factory stubby antenna replacement. Works well. I got tired of the long factory antenna hitting everything in parking garages and drive-thrus and stuff like that. I did add a 5-inch DPF back exhaust on it. I did get this Adrian Steel toolbox with a Trifecta 2.0 X-Tang cover, trifold. I like the combo. The truck came with a rolling Linex by Truck Gear cover on it. It was a hard cover. I needed a toolbox, so I sold that off and picked up this combo here. I like it. Looks good on the truck. I did also get this hitch temporarily. It's a 7 3/4 drop hitch, Reese tow power. I want to get a bulletproof hitch on that eventually. But yeah, guys, this is my truck. Pretty much my dream truck. It is a short bed. It's got all the options. Twin panel moonroof. Pretty much everything I've been always looking for. Stay tuned for more videos. Stay tuned to my channel. I've got a couple other mods on the way that I'm going to be installing and doing videos for you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and like and comment and subscribe to my channel, please. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.